Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be doing kinky twists for the first time on someone's hair. I will show you a picture of the ear that I use. I didn't really like this ear. It has a rough feeling and I don't really like it because I feel as if this ear will cause a lot of breakage, so I wouldn't recommend it, right? I wouldn't recommend you putting it into your ear as in a kinky twist style. But if you want to use it maybe for like crushes, I think that would work better, right? So as you can see, I started off with the back section and I braided the root and then I twisted it to the end. I braided the root to provide to give it a more better grip and hold so that the style could last long. And for my first time, I would grade myself 6 out of 10 because it wasn't too bad. And for my first time, I think that I did good. For the partings, I would give myself a 3, and it was really based on the comb because the comb had a very fat teeth, so it wasn't as clean as I wanted it to be. But I used it to part out the section, and then I used my fingers to do the in between in the rows. So yes, that's what I did, and I tried to do them as small as possible so that they could last for a very long time. Alright, so I will just let you watch and see how I did. So the ear in the pack is separated with elastic bands. So what I did was to separate that section in half and then stretched it out, and then I braided down the natural ear about 2 or 3 times, and then I added the kinky hair to the natural hair and I braided it down for about 2-3 times again, and then I twisted it down to the end. So when I was finished with the back section, I decided to divide the top section in half because I was doing a middle part, and when I was finished I started with one of the sections. So right here I was near the finishing line of completing this ear, and right here I was trimming, you know, the ends, the straggly ends. So what I did was to run my finger through it, and then wherever I felt the need to cut, I would just clip that, and then, or wherever I felt there was a knot, I will just clip it, and then I try to shape it to the best of my abilities. So that's what I did, and this is me clipping it up, and this is the finished product. I hope you like it. I hope you like the shape of it, and yes, I hope you enjoy this video. Bye.